Well, buckle up your kids properly. For some, it's not as easy as it sounds. As our Scott Sheehan tells us, that's why Essentia Health in Brainerd recently hosted a child safety inspection to make sure kids were buckled up properly.
Parents, buckle up your kids. Essentia Health Hospital hosted a car seat clinic yesterday to make sure members of the Brainerd Lakes community were buckling their children in properly.
Motor vehicle crashes are by far above and beyond the leading cause of death in children. And so by making each one of those children safe in their travels, it's important for ourselves now and for our next generation.
The clinic received donated seats from the Crow Wing County Child Abuse Prevention Council to make sure each kid is safe when they travel.
Number one goal is they're leaving here safer than when they came in. So if that seat is expired, is not appropriate for that child, the child's outgrown the seat, you name the cause, they'll walk away with a seat that's appropriate for them.
We got four kids and 3 in car seats, so I guess it was an opportunity. A lot of times, you know, we have like 2 car seats, but we have 3 vehicles, so you're flopping car seats. So I just make sure we're doing it right, make sure we got the right car seats for the right kid.
The child safety seat technicians recommend parents check the labels on the seat to make sure it's the safest possible for their children.
This one was manufactured in October of 2013, and most seats, after 6 years, that's when you would want to destroy them, so this one we're fine.
The technicians also point out there's a couple of safety checks parents should do every time before they drive their children.
We want to grab it at the belt path, and it shouldn't be able to go back and forth more than an inch. Oh, and that's in there nice and tight. You want that headrest behind them. So let's say in her booster seat that she didn't have this headrest here, you would want to make sure that there's a headrest behind them.
The technicians checked 26 seats and replaced at least 5 safety seats. Essentia Health said the most common issues were the use of aftermarket products, or products that didn't come with the seat, and harnesses that weren't tightened properly. Scott Sheehan, Lakeland News.
Essentia Health says more than 90% of car seats are misused, and nationally, over 85% of kids aren't restrained properly in vehicles.
If you've enjoyed this segment of Lakeland News, please consider making a tax-deductible contribution to Lakeland Public Television.